today we're gonna put this TV mount on this TV over here and put this up here on this wall. We're gonna go through what we need, the tools you're gonna have to make sure you have, and we're gonna put this in the wall. Go step by step, and hopefully it helps you do the same for yourself. Let's get into it. So first things first, I managed to buy this TV wall mount that works for 19 to 50 inches for a TV in between that size. So I have a 37-inch TV that we're gonna mount. So it came with the mount itself. We're gonna line this up. There is an arrow showing you the direction that it goes on the TV. So what I did to make sure, as you can see it's a bit open already, I took this piece, put it in here to make sure everything would line up properly. So now what I like to do when I'm starting stuff out is I like to make sure I have the right stuff and it's gonna work first before anything goes wrong. So there's an assortment of different sizes of bolts, cartridge bolts they're called. So I'm gonna try to find the kind that's gonna work to fasten this properly to the back of the TV. So once I've found exactly the right ones, they need to be able to thread as deep as possible to create a tight, and it looks like these will work, a tight seal and close on the back of the bracket. So I'm going to put one in just to see if I'll be able to actually make it tight so it's not loose. What I like to do is I like to do a reverse turn until it sets, and then I'll fire it in properly, and that should work perfectly fine. Boom. So big thing is you can't install these on just drywall. They have to be into a stud, block, or anything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna figure out what we got behind the wall and what we're gonna fasten it to. What I like to do is I find an outlet, and usually the outlet is fastened to a stud on either the left or right side. So I'll remove the plate cover and figure out which side the stud is on, because I'm not allowed near a stud finder. Boom, so that looks solid. So we're gonna follow it straight up, and that's where we're gonna put our hole. Let's hope nothing goes wrong. Boom, solid hole. So now I'm probably gonna do it like this. Put one hole there. I'm gonna look and see if I have a random screw like this, because I wanna find out if it's gonna be a concrete or wood wall behind us. So that's gonna change everything. Looks like it's wood. Beauty. Oh, that's easy. They gave us these lag bolts here, like this. So what I'm gonna do is, you see the hexagon top. What we do is, we grab our socket set, and then we take out the correct size. I'm gonna guess it's a 10. Wrong. So it's a 13. I'm gonna take this, fit the 13, and this is what we're gonna use. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get it tight, but not crazy too tight. And then there's a level on these ones, but we're gonna line it up better. So as you can see, it's not quite level yet. We do have a little level here. So just enough. I put the first one in just enough so that it holds the thing in place, and I can adjust it to level. So there it looks level. I think that's a good height for the TV. TV top probably here. Don't need it crazy high. Nobody cares. Boom. And I can probably put the top one right in there. Boom. Holds it level. I'd say so. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah, definitely. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fire this one in. then once we get this one in, just gonna break through the original drywall. There we go. Not going nowhere, and the bubble's in the middle. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop that one off and fire a third one in. So that all three are in good positioning. Our last leg bolt here. So what's nice is because this one was already pre-screwed with that little drywall screw, it'll make it a bit easier to go in for the first little bit. There. It's level. Looks good. Now, the final test of fun. We're going to pop off this Allen key. We're going to put the TV bracket on it, and then we're going to put the Allen key thing back. Now we have this piece out. It goes on click. So what I'll do is I'll attach it, and then this will hold itself in place while I'm fastening the TV screws, which will be nice. Well, doesn't look like it's coming up the wall anytime soon. Which is good. Yeah. There we go. Perfect. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys at least got to enjoy any mistakes or suffering you might think I've done. I gotta give this thing a wipe, plug it in, and it's good to go.